everyone, how are you? I hope you all are having a great day. So today we are going to have a conversation Miss Sanvi Gupta. So without further delay, let's get started. Hi Sanvi, how are you?
Hi, I'm great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing pretty well. So before having conversation, please introduce yourself so that my audience get to know about yourself.
Okay, so I'm Sanvi Gupta. I live in Delhi city. I study in ninth grade. My hobbies are to dance, to learn new art, and to read new books, basically, to do something new. And that's all about me.
Wow.
Okay, so I would like to ask about your introduction.
Yeah, definitely. So my name is Neetu Gupta. Basically, I am born and brought up from Gwalior. It's in Madhya Pradesh. But presently, I have been living in Delhi since my
Hmm.
marriage. I am masters in organic chemistry. Basically, I'm a teacher of science and math subjects. So
Hmm.
before some years, I used to teach in private school, but now I'm teaching at my home so that I can manage, I can organize all my household chores and all things. Even my children are also over here, so that's why. Apart from that, if I talk about my hobbies, so I like to dance and singing, paintings, playing badminton. So dance is one of my favorite hobby because I like to dance. I am very passionate about the dance. So that's all about myself. So
That's
Sanvi,
wonderful.
yeah, thank you so much. So Sanvi, I would like to ask about that. How was your day today? Any productive work have you done today?
Yes, like I cannot give my perspective on this that it was productive or not, but it was quite well. It went nice. My day was very nice, kind of, because I bought you things. That's the childhood thing that we all love. Okay, so my day was quite well. It went pretty good, like productive. And nowadays, my holidays are going on because my exams are over. So, like, I wake up at 8 a.m. and help my mother in household chores. After that, I went for freshen up and took bath, did worship, and then I start either I go downstairs to play with my brother, or I play coffee with Karan and eat food, eat lunch, breakfast, and after that I have a small nap because I woke up at 8 a.m. So I need a small nap for energy. So then I sleep for a while, and then when I wake up, so today I went with my mother to the market for new session bringings. So I brought some stationery stuff and my uniform. And then when I came home, I quickly rushed to mandir because we every day go to mandir. Like me, my mother, and my brother, and my father too. He came directly from the office to the mandir. So like me, my mother, and brother went to mandir together. And then when we came home, we relaxed and we slept. So that's all. Like my day was
I
nice.
think you have done a lot of thing in your entire day. It's really very productive things because you do worship, you go play outside. So I think all these things habit are really very good because nowadays most of the children what they do. They just take mobile phone and laptops and they are busy with them all times and they all time they doom scrolling, so I think it's not a good habit. Even they don't know time management and importance of the time as well. So I think they need to know about that because they are the student, they are the future. So I think I also say to you, you just utilize your time so that you can get to know, you come across so many things that you are doing already. So I think it is a good habit. So apart from that, you have said that you are a dancer. I'm also a dancer. I like to dance very
Yes,
much.
I know.
So I have one of my YouTube channels also. So here I make my dance shorts video because I like to dance so
Oh.
that I can teach my dance as well. But
Yes, you can provide me the link. I'll go through it.
Yeah, definitely. I will share my link. So, Sanvi, you told me that you are living in Delhi. I'm also living in Delhi. But I would like to ask one more question to you. Uh, which thing do you like most? Means, what is the specialty in Delhi that you like most? So that you can share to me and my audience.
Actually, in Delhi is a land of diversity. It is a huge city. Like, at least for me, it is really huge. Like many places to visit. It has many iconic monuments and many historical places to visit, and many tourists come here to visit Delhi. Like, that's so nice. Like, this place has different vibe because there are many, like India Gate, Lotus Temple. These are places we can visit many times. We don't feel like I have visited this once and I don't want to go there once again. In fact, over here in Delhi, we have on Republic Day there is a parade. That's so proudful thing for us.
Yeah, definitely, it's very pride for us because all things that is happening in our city, so we can go to watch that kind of thing. So it is really very amazing for us. And as you said, vibrant monuments and historical places that are captivating us. So I think everyone should visit at once in their life. It is really an amazing that you have said well. So apart from that, if I ask, what the things you don't like in Delhi?
Okay, so what I hate about Delhi is it is really crowded. It is densely populated. Also, it is like polluted, like very polluted, because there are many vehicles. Obviously, there are many people, so they will use the vehicles, and that pollutes the air a lot.
It's really great to hear all points because you mentioned well. So, okay, now we just play a game. I would like to give three idioms. So, please, if you don't mind if you don't know about that, or if you know about those idioms, so please give me answer. Okay. So, first
Okay.
one is break a leg. Break a leg. So, what is the mean of it?
I'm not sure. I guess it is good luck.
Yeah, definitely. If we
Oh.
say someone have a good luck, so we can say like that, break a leg. So apart from that, if
Yes.
I say to you, hit the hay, hit
Hit
the
the
hay.
that I know to go to the bed.
Yeah, definitely, sure. Yeah, that you
That's
have.
the favorite part of the day for me.
Yeah, because we do every day that thing. One more idiom. It is last, not least. So okay, spill the beans.
To reveal the gossip or the secret.
Oh wow, you know every idioms. That's great to hear. So spill
That
the
is because us friends in the school
you
we
just speak
play
out.
secret.
Yeah, definitely. So could you make any sentence on it? Spill the beans.
Like, okay. I said to my friend to spill the beans because she knew the gossip.
Yeah, definitely. You said well. You can speak like that. Confide instead of it. Confide.
Yes.
So yeah, reveal the secret. So we can use that word also. So
Yes.
it was really nice conversation with you, Sanvi, and I would like to connect again. So would you like to again connect with me?
Yes, of course. I would really love to connect with you.
Yeah, definitely. So in future we will connect. So have a great day. Bye bye.
You too have a great day. Bye.
Thank you.